not letting me bunk any class. I'll do the same with my students. Keep asking them, where are you? Come fast. And from now, I'll try my best to spread my guru's teachings to the world. And thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, Tavam.
Yeah, I don't know where to begin and where to end. It's been an amazing journey. I think there was a lot of apprehension on online, the quality of the institute. Shanti Yoga, I've never heard it before. I tried to check with few people, they've not heard. At the same time, I didn't want to spend too much money. So I said, I will take something that is reasonable. But they say good things come with a price. I think I will negate that with what I got here. For what I paid versus what I got is much more than I could have imagined. I had very beautiful experience. I think the first thing that caught my attention, and I think that first day when Nitisha said, in this life, there is nothing to achieve, only to lose. That statement hooked me to this institute. And I think I have lost so much, and I'm happy I've lost it. Because of the lockdown, there was so much anger that I was going through. I don't know for what. There was temper loss that I was having. I was having a lot of disturbed thought. And this 1 month has been an amazing calming down experience, and it has brought in that positive change in me. I am a psychology student. I have a lot of depth in psychology, but I never knew I will go into philosophy and connect to it so much. I think this is the beginning of my journey to being a philosopher as well. Again, thanks to all the gurus, but all of you have been great. All of you have been amazing in the entire journey. But my special thanks to Niji sir. I was a big follower of gurus online. I used to watch Sadhguru. I used to watch different people who would have these thoughts giving conversations. But the issue there was I could never have access to them. Here Nidishar was my Sadhguru to whom I could ask questions to and clarify and get that clarity on what our thinking is. So that was an amazing journey. And like everybody is saying, this has become a part of our life. I think I'm going to miss not seeing these faces, not having that rush to get up and be on the system in the morning and in the evening and have this journey with everybody. But I would continue this journey and ensure that I take some people along with me in this journey. And I will come to Shanti Yoga for sure and visit the place. I'm so amazed with what it could do to me in this distance. I'm sure when I visit there, it would be a much more deeper journey. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Sheetal.
Namaste, sir. Namaste, everybody. It has been words will fall short. It has been a beautiful journey, excellent journey for me. I remember the time I was coordinating with Mohanji, and there were so many things because I'm working. I have to give 9-10 hours of work. I have to log in. There is I'm in IT and I'm 10 to 6, I'm occupied. I really didn't know how am I going to manage. And then he somehow communicated, although we were on WhatsApp, and said, don't worry, it'll be sorted. And I said, okay, I also took it in my mind, okay, let me just see, because 5 hours a day with my family, commitment, I'm staying in a joint family, my in-laws around, my daughter, it was going to be, I don't know, I thought it'd be a roller coaster ride, but the support that I got from the teachers as well as my family, it has been amazing. I never knew that I would, not stepping into the kitchen and just being around in the room, doing whole day, everything as per my schedule. And it just turned out beautiful. The other important thing I learned was, I mean, Bama Devi ma'am and Karishma ma'am would know, I am flexible. I am good at, I would not say good, but I know asanas, I would say like that. But, and my perspective opened up. Yoga is not asana, I think, for all of us. And I learned so much that it is much more within than much more external. much more than practicing. Just doing the asana is just one step, or maybe like 10% of what the entire journey is. I didn't know this, although we were reading these WhatsApp messages about talking about all the other gurus, seeing Ramdev Baba, seeing Sadhguru Ji, all those big people, gurus. But this little thing, this concept came in from when I joined here. And now when I look at it, as a person, I have changed, because I was very impatient. I used to get angry very fast. So within the 1 month, I have had people asking me, like my anger would be on my daughter or something related to her studies or at workplace. And now it has all changed. I think I'm becoming like my name. Although I may not sound like that when we are in the classes, but I have changed as a person. I feel that within 1 month, if this could happen, I imagine if we're associate, I really want to be associated for life. I'm not saying just 1 month. So if you come up with any short programs, any philosophical talks, or anything in between, 2-day programs, 1-day program, we definitely want to be a part of it. And besides that, the thought, the first philosophy class, first class with Nidish sir was a bouncer. I was like, what is he talking? How am I going to connect? Because I am not that person. We were also commercial, not commercial, as in the job is like that you are always more connected to the outside. You never got a chance to look inside, never got a chance to think about. And in my family, there's so much of bhakti. My in-laws are they are Krishna devotees, and I am not like that. So there was a guilt factor haunting me like for always like so many years, about maybe 10 years of my marriage. As in, okay, I am not devoted. I'm not doing 16 rounds of mala. I'm not chanting. How am I going to, what is this? Then when I understood, we were in the classes, I understood karma yoga, bhakti yoga. I understood that I could choose another path and reach somewhere, same goals, but a different medium. So thank you is really, really short. And how much ever, it's just going to be, words are falling short for me. I want to thank each and every faculty, each and every teacher here, Nidish sir, Gurudat sir, Justin sir, when he spoke about attitude of gratitude, about blessings, about forgiving. We had hardly 2 or 3 classes with him, but those things I felt those were key takeaways. I was not a person who would keep grudges, but now I understood why we should not have. So these things were amazing. I can't thank enough. Karishma ma'am, I have called Karishma ma'am, taken hours of her, like, okay ma'am, what do I do? This, that, I have thyroid issues. Srinivas sir, I've spoken to, sir, I'm experimenting on myself past 1 month. I've stopped medication, so I'm going to definitely.
Very good. Good.
It's been amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mohanji. If you would have not persuaded, like we've not been connected, like you in fact actually chased me. Okay, let's do it. And I want to tell one thing, that I did research, like working on coming from IT. I did research, and I also I found all positive reviews. I found everything positive on Shanti Yoga, how much ever I read. And that was one key thing, like, okay, let me just, it did. Definitely I'm going to write about the institution and the experience I've had, but it does add value, and it felt really great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for the review also that you're going to write. Thank you so much for that.
We can
Because,
give you
like
Google also.
Yeah.